Hey. Ha. Ha. Yeah. You don't have to be on lockdown at home. You can do this. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Ha. Woo. That was a bug. Hey, I'm about to get my Serena Williams on. I'm gonna warm it up, get this body moving, because I ain't sitting. All right, are you ready to join me? Then let's get to it, baby. Come on. Ha. Come on. Don't knock yourself out now. Bam. Ha. All right, time for a break. This is our break. Yeah. Ooh. Come on. Ooh. We just warming our stroke. We just getting some warm up in the body. Yes. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Hey. Yeah, I don't want to hit it too far. I know I can knock it out. Hey. Did you see that one? Oh yeah. Whew. So I like to put hits in there, and rolls and rockets. I just keep it going. You can put on your music, you can keep it rolling, whatever floats your boat. Now, you can do it on the court, you can do it in your yard. If you don't have a yard, just go out in the front and swing. Ooh. Hey. Holy crap. You see what I'm saying? Now let's get to it. Ooh. So when this all is said and done, you have kept up, you have hung in there, and this will keep you on your toes. That's what I'm doing. What the heck? Aside from the bugs, bam, knock them out too. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And when you get back out there, just be safe, because I want you around for a long time, baby. That's what I'm about to do. Put on my mask when I get out there in the crowded spaces and places and things, just because I want to come back out here and do what I'm doing right now. So mix it up, put on your music, whatever floats your boat, and just do it wherever you are. In fact, if you're in the house, you could swing. You see how I'm getting stronger? All right, so you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, I am. Here we go. Round 3. Round 3. Ooh. Yeah. Come on. Ooh, come on. Yeah. Here we go. Ooh. 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 Oh. 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 Yeah. Keep it going. Oh. Oh. Keep going. Come on. Yeah. Ah. Oh. All right. Do I look like a wild woman? That's all right. Long as I keep moving and grooving. Come on now. It doesn't matter. Oh yeah. I hear some music. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Oh, oh, oh yeah. I hear it. Whoa, yeah. Here we go. Again. Ooh. Ooh. Ha. 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 Yeah. You feel me? You feel me? Because I am getting real sweaty about now. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the curdle. I'm feeling it roll. I'm like a shark that tastes blood. When those endorphins get going, OMG, can nothing sit you down. When you really get going on this, it will keep you moving. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Who says you can't get your cardio in? Yeah, just mix it up, baby. Come on. Don't knock yourself out like I just did. All right. Come on. Ooh. Ha. Ha. Just swing. Ha. Ha. Yeah. Ooh. Ha. Yeah. Oh. Come on. Hey. Whoa. Come on. Yeah. Whew. Keep it going. Yeah, getting some squats while I'm doing it. Yeah. Whew. Whew. Yes. Whew. Ha. Ha. Now, that's the way I rock and roll. You can too. You could do this on the court. You could do this in your own backyard. You could do it wherever you want. You don't have to worry about mask. But when I get out there, and when I get with them folks, I start really getting in the groove. But this is how not to sit at home. You keep that arm warmed up. You keep them legs warmed up. You keep that body going. You keep that cardio. Yes. Going. Baby, nothing can stop you. You hear what I'm saying? Ha! Yeah, 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 yeah. Ha! And woo, that was a bug. Squat the bug too. Whatever floats your boat. The idea is to move and groove. Come on, let's go it again. Woo! Woo! Yes! Yes! Woo! Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo! Yes! Yes! Keep it going. Squat. 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 Yeah. Hey. Hey. Are you with me? Because if you are, I am proud of you. Keep it moving. Keep it grooving. And you won't regret it. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Ah. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Come on. Ready? Ready? Ready for some tennis? Hey, hey, hear that music? Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Hey. 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 Throw whatever you want in there and you will stay in shape. Nothing can hold you down. You will keep it moving, and when this is all over, you'll be in tip-top shape. Nothing will have you down. You'll be ready to go. So let's rock it. Ooh. Bugs. 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 All right. That's all she wrote, folks. Dogs are up. People are barking. But it's all good in the neighborhood because bugs. Because that's what keeps you going. Keep the questions coming, and I will hang in there with you while I swat these bugs and the dogs. All right, come on, come on. Yeah. So now, gotta find my mask. Here we go. I'm about to get out there and roll with the rest of the world. Okay. Okay. Now, until I get to the tennis court, oh baby, I'm gonna be swatting away. Oh yeah. Okay. Put my Serena Williams on the board. Yeah. Yes. Seek. Seek. I'm gonna practice my swing. Come on. Yeah. Let's try that again. Yeah. All right, let's try that again. I don't want to hit it too far. I might hit it in somebody else's yard. This is just practice. Here we go. I hit it in the other yard. It's time. It's time. Just remember, it doesn't matter what your age is, where you come from, or what you've been through. What matters is that you don't give up. Just stay active. Keep on doing your thing. Stay safe. And then when all else fails, just dance. Oh yeah. Just dance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And yeah. Come on, baby. Yeah. I'm Wendy Ida, and I'll see you next time.